Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our channel. It's Jake here, bringing to you at the first Rokid flagship store here in Hangzhou, China. And today we're unboxing the Rokid Max and comparing it to the existing gen of Rokid Air. I guess this will be the first video about Rokid Max on our channel. We've been looking forward to this for quite a long time. That's why we're super hyped. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first of all, just a heads up, this is a pre-production unit. What you see might not be exactly what you get, but one thing is for sure, what you receive will be much better. Check out what we've got in here. A color box, a carrying case, 3 pair of nose pads, a blackout cover, a USB-C cable, a manual, and the glasses. As you can see, the carrying case of Rokid Max is really well made and a more premium touch compared to the last gen we have here, the Rokid Air. In terms of the design and especially the materials we use for the carrying case. Plus, the Rokid Max also features an ultra-thin USB-C cable which makes it more portable and lightweight for using the glasses on the go. Next, let's dive into more details about Rokid Max. From the comfort perspective, these are only 75 grams, super lightweight, very pocketable, and ergonomically designed for long-time use. You can tell these are so different from the Rokid Air in terms of how big the screen is and how good the sound quality is. Also, the color is extremely vivid and vibrant on the virtual screen displayed in front of your face. It feels like you are sitting in a personal cinema, and thanks to our optical module, it now gives you a 50-degree FOV compared to the previous Rokid Air, which is 43. So it's safe to say we got a much better display this time. And just like Rokid Air, it does have a speaker on each side of the glasses temple. Also underneath, you will find 2 buttons here, one for volume control, the other for brightness. As I mentioned, the sound quality coming from these 2 speakers are incredibly good. Apart from the image and sound quality, the Rokid Max is HDCP compliant and also myopia friendly from 0 to -6. All you have to do is to adjust these 2 little diopter knobs here and find everything in focus if your eyesight is within that range. And now you can enjoy your favorite movies on the go. Rokid Max also comes with a 120 Hz of refresh rate, which means it offers a great gaming experience for us gamers. Alright, we will put a chart here to demonstrate the differences between Rokid Max and Rokid Air from a hardware perspective. To wrap it up, Rokid Max is an upgraded version of the Air with some basic AR functions and better specs in every way. Let us know what you think about the Rokid Max by leaving a comment in the description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you next time.